Hello everyone! In this video you will learn how to test an EPIRB or any other Ghostbuster site beacon professionally and easily. For this purpose we use our new GMDSS Multi Tester MRTS-7 Pro. Also, Beacon Tester Pro can be used in the same way. These both brand new devices are made by Aeromarine SRT and enable accurate, detailed verification of an emergency beacon. Here I have an EPIRB to demonstrate the testing of all the three channels.
Use the tester with its antenna connected. So take them from this set and screw up the antenna. Adjust the antenna length. Use 3 first divisions. This ensures optimal test conditions and accurate measurements. Turn on the tester. Press and hold the button for several seconds. Enter menu Test EPIRB. There are several testing menus here. Complex test for total testing of the first generation beacons. 121.5 MHz test and AES test for testing these channels separately. And second generation beacon test for total testing of an SGB. Set up the test configuration. Use testing by antenna. As we have a first generation AES EPIRB, we use the corresponding option. Press Enter. Check that the slots of homing signal 121.5 and of AES presence are turned on when you test a beacon having all the three channels. In the other case, turn on only those channels present in the beacon. You can turn on only AES channel or 121.5, or turn off these both if the device has only 406 MHz channel, like PLB for example. This flexible setup allows MRTS-7 Pro and Beacon Tester Pro to work with any type of beacon, Legacy EPIRB, PLB, ELT or AES EPIRB. Press Start using the functional button F4. Now the tester waits for signal reception. The EPIRB should be at a distance of about 3 meters from the tester. Turn on the EPIRB test mode. We need to send only one burst, and the tester receives all three channels simultaneously thanks to 3 independent built-in receivers. Review the received test results. First, scroll through the results for the 406 MHz channel. Then press the right arrow key to switch to the AES channel and review the data. Press the right arrow key once again to switch to the third channel and check the homing signal results. Press Graph using the functional button F2 to display the advanced analysis. The following graphs are available: the phase deviation at time, the spectrum of 406 channel, and 406 MHz power versus time. To return to the text view, press Data using the functional button. To save the results in the tester's memory, press Save using the functional button F3. By default, the tester automatically assigns the next available profile number. To change it, use the plus and minus keys or enter the desired number directly using the numeric buttons. Confirm saving by pressing Save with the functional button F4. The assigned profile number will be displayed on the screen. Let's see the stored results. Come back to the main menu, enter the View Profiles menu, and select the required profile by its number or locate it using the date and time. Open the profile by pressing Enter. Here you can see the saved data and graphs exactly as they were recorded during the measurements. You can switch between the data and graph views using the functional key. The saved results can be deleted, but surely we won't do that now. Okay, now it's time to see the soft integration. We shall transfer the saved test results to the GMDSS Multi Software and make the test report. Take the USB cable and connect the tester to your computer or laptop. Enter the Download Data menu. Wait for automatic connection and downloading. If it doesn't run automatically, connect manually using this option. The results are now in the software and are synchronized in cloud if the computer is connected to the internet. Apart from the USB connection to a computer, the MRTS-7 Pro and Beacon Tester Pro also support a Bluetooth connection. Run this software and switch on the tester. Keep the tester on the logo screen. Press the functional button F4 to toggle between USB and Bluetooth connection modes. The currently selected connection type is shown on the top line of the tester's display. In the software on your computer, open the Remote Control menu and select GMDSS Tester Graphical User Interface. Wait for the connection to be established. The connection progress will be displayed on the screen. Once the connection is established, the remote control interface becomes available. Go to the View Profiles menu and press Download All. All the test results stored in the tester will be downloaded to the software. Alternatively, you can download a single selected test result if required. Open test results and review the available profiles. You can switch between the grouped view and the list view. Select the required profile based on the survey date, the MMSI, and the profile number assigned in the tester, the PID. Click to open. Here we see the measurement results, then the graphs, same as in the tester, phase deviation at time, power at time, and spectrum of 406 MHz frequency. In the corresponding tabs, enter the details of the EPIRB tested, its hydrostatic release unit, details of the vessel surveyed, as well as the survey date and location. Save all the information in these tabs. Here you can see the decoded COSPAS-SAT message content and the decoded AAS messages. Using the menu on the left-hand side, you can switch between the different sections of the test results at any time. Click on the Create Report. Several report templates are available. Select the required type. Here is the General Test Report. Every report can be printed immediately or saved in PDF or doc format for further editing and printing. Here is the standard annual test report, the report of the shore-based maintenance, and a dedicated annual test report with the inspection checklist. All the measured parameters, decoded messages, and the entered survey details are included. Check and submit the points of the annual inspection checklist. Save the test report or print, and it's ready.
Thank you for watching. Please let us know in the comments if the video was useful and if you would like us to make a video tutorial on testing a second-generation beacon. Make your GMDSS surveys professional, fast and reliable, and enjoy your work with the GMDSS Testers Pro.